So our concept is simple. We have purchased the land for people who are passionate but do not have lands of their own, but have a little bit of capital that they want to invest. We say come to our land. It is free. We are giving it to you for free, not to take the land but to pitch your tent on here so that you can also grow your own snails and be very profitable. We have some greenhouses here that I will be taking you to very shortly. So this is our plan, that once we are all cladded here, we are all clustered here, possibility of us getting funding is high. Possibility of people doing a lot of investment is very high. So this was basically almost a forest-like land that we have acquired, legally acquired, and then we've built this beautiful structure on here just for that purpose. So like I said, we have a dwelling place where people will sleep. These are our greenhouses that we do. Our greenhouses are over there. I'll show you in a bit. This is a dwelling place for anyone who wants to come and stay. So if you cannot come and stay yourself, you can appoint someone to come and stay. We're going to put the bunker beds here, up and down bunker beds here. And then we have water facilities, we have everything. And this is going to be our kitchen. So anyone who has the edge, the passion to invest, but do not have lands, do not worry anymore, because we're here for you. You can get free access to lands, to pitch your tents here, to as many tents as you wish. And then you can have someone come and stay here and then take care of your greenhouse for you. So we're going to the greenhouse just to check. Okay, I have to pick a few to boost morale. Okay, so I'm picking just one because I have the camera in my hand. So we're going to where we have the greenhouse. So all this place has been cleared initially. We cleared it up to the bamboo area so that it can house a lot of greenhouses. And the place, we don't really have any massive great purposes aside the snails and the greenhouse. So we have our sand, we have our stones, our chippings and everything that we are using. And then it spreads from here to the top there. That is all our lands. So we have initially cleared here, and then there has been some slight erosion, but we can restructure the soil. So this is our greenhouse. These are our greenhouses. This particular one is the first of its kind that we built. So these are our greenhouses. Yes. So this is a 5x7 greenhouse, which is made of galvanized steel pipes. That this was the first of its kind that we built when we started learning about greenhouses. This is like the first one that we built, and then we used drills and bolts and nuts. But then later we restructured it to use locking profiles and pins. That's what we are using for this. So this is a 5x7 greenhouse. This is the first, and then we have the second. This is owned by us personally. And then we have the second. This is also a 5x7 meters greenhouse. This is also made of galvanized steel, but we didn't paint this one. This one was painted a little bit, but we saw that so far as it's galvanized, we only need to paint the parts that were welded. So this is another greenhouse that we have. So we have one here, we have the second one here, and then all these have security doors. So these are security doors that you enter, you check your vicinity to see if there are any houseflies or any other insects that followed you before you enter into the real greenhouse. That is the real chamber. And this is the second one with a security door, same construction. These are what we call locking profiles. So these are the locking profiles, a technology that we've adopted and perfected. So we have a security net here that you check your vicinity, drive away flies and other ones before you enter. And this is the third one. This is phenomenal. This is awesome. So this one is the best of its kind as well, with a lot of security features here, you can see. So you enter and then you check your vicinity, and it has a foot bath. So the foot bath will put chemicals in there that when you enter, you sterilize your feet before you enter into the other compartment. As you can see, we are growing dwarf bananas. So we're going to grow dwarf bananas to provide shade for the snails. And then we're going to disinfect the whole area. And then we're going to build a trench around the whole lot. And then we'll be safe and secured from